In this video, you will learn how to use text to create a Wordle. The text that we'll be using to create this Wordle is information that was generated from a Google form. I assigned this Google form to a group of students. Their job was to read the article and select 4 key words that they felt like were most important to the article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the responses in this form and use that text to create a Wordle. So to find the responses, I'm going to head to my drive and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the Word Splash Activity Responses spreadsheet. So when I open that up, you'll see that when I look at the initial form, I have the name field and then the 4 keywords. Those responses match the columns in the spreadsheet. Now, Google Forms and Google Spreadsheets, all of the Google Docs are still under development. They're always adding new features. When you look here, they do not have the feature yet to spell check directly in the spreadsheets feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste just the keywords. I'm not going to use the names. So I'm going to select that all and I'm going to go to copy. And you can also use the Control-C feature there if you'd like. And I'm actually just going to make a really quick Word document so that I can spell check. And actually this is just a Google document, but similar to a Word document. And I'm going to check these and it looks like everything is spelled correctly. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to navigate to the Wordle site. And that is just Wordle, WORDLE.net. So when you get to this site, the first thing you want to do is you want to find the creator. And so there's the button up here that says create. I'm going to click on that. And all you need to do is paste in the text. Now it doesn't matter if the text is how you put it in. You can put it in any way. So I'm going to go ahead and now I can click go and it will generate my word cloud. It is important to note that this particular tool requires Java, and Java does not always play well with Chrome, so Wordle does not work on a Chrome browser. So I am doing this in Safari, so if you're a regular Chrome user, it is something to kind of pay attention to when you're ready to go. So once this generates, you can change it around, you can customize it a little bit here, and I'm actually on my layout, so it's just a little bit easier to see. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to lay this out mostly horizontally. And actually, I might do it all horizontally. So you can change all of those things. You can also change the color. You can recolor it and it'll give you something random. Or you can select from one of the different themes here. And when you see that there's a black behind it, that means a black background with these colors. Or you can do the white background. So this is what my finished Google form generated Wordle looks like. And you'll notice a couple things about it. Some of the words are bigger. And the reason for that is when you look through our data here, we see behavior written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So in your Wordle, anytime you type a word more than once, it makes the word bigger instead of adding it just several times. So behavior was one of the most important key words from this article. This is how you can use the information from a Google form to generate or create your own Wordle.